Amazon to reach 200,000 women and girls through menstrual hygiene programs by 2025. More than 50,000 young girls and women from underserved communities in over 130 villages and 14 cities across India enabled through menstrual health and hygiene initiatives. Educational sessions through Gram Mitra and Pragati Mitra programs empower women on menstrual hygiene, helping dismantle stigma, creating sustainable livelihoods by enabling a circular, gram, or village economy, while fostering supportive environments. The Prayatna sanitary pad manufacturing units are operated by women, for women, creating economic independence while transforming community attitudes about menstrual health. Bangalore, 26 May 2025, Amazon India today unveiled the next phase of its women's health initiative during a media event at the Singahalli Community Centre in Bangalore. The program, which addresses period poverty through locally manufactured sanitary products, education, and entrepreneurship opportunities, will reach 200,000 women and girls by 2025. Currently operating 4 sanitary napkin manufacturing facilities in Bangalore, Chennai, Hyderabad, and Kolkata, Amazon has already reached more than 50,000 women and girls from underserved communities across 130 villages and 14 cities. Through this initiative, Amazon will also support more than 500 women entrepreneurs by 2027, creating sustainable livelihoods while improving menstrual health access. The sanitary napkin production units have a combined production capacity of 1,200 biodegradable sanitary napkins per hour, using fully automated, state-of-the-art machinery. All napkins are made from CPCB-approved, 100% biodegradable raw materials, offering a sustainable alternative in areas where plastic waste and lack of access to hygienic products remain major challenges. Women entrepreneurs operate the units with support from non-profit partners Vyomini and She and We, with active engagement from Asha workers, Anganwadi centers, and local Gram Panchayats. Dr. Karuna Shankar Pandey, Vice President of Amazon Logistics, India said, menstruation, a natural biological process, remains shrouded in secrecy and shame in many parts of India, and our unique programs are tackling this head-on, said Dr. Karuna Shankar Pandey, Vice President of Amazon Logistics, India. At Amazon, we are reimagining what it means to empower women by placing them at the heart of innovation, enterprise, and community transformation. This initiative goes beyond hygiene, it fuels economic opportunity, dismantles long-standing taboos, and builds local leadership.
Hi, my name is Karuna Shankar Pandey. I am the Vice President in Amazon Logistics. I'm so delighted for you all to be here today. This is one community center kind of a thing where we are working to make an impact in the community on menstrual hygiene. We believe something which is so basic but so important to make an impact where currently it's still menstrual hygiene is considered as a taboo and it is not talked much. There is gap in awareness, there is gap in accessibility of safe and healthy products for them in terms of menstrual pad. What we have tried to bring here together is actually the power of women from the community. We have provided pad manufacturing machines here where women from the community come and manufacture the pad. Then there are women champions in the community who go and sell their product through direct distribution, one-on-one with all the beneficiaries, or let's say the women and the adults and girls in the community. We believe that's the best way of moving forward on this. Currently, we have 4 such centers here in Bangalore, one in Hyderabad, one in Chennai, and one in Calcutta. Through that, we have been able to make impact in 50,000 women and adolescent girls across 130 plus villages, which are in 14 cities. And our plan this year is to take this reach to 2 lakh women across north and west as well, adding on to these 4 centers and 14 cities that we are making an impact on. We believe this gives the right woman empowerment, because they are at the end of the day beneficiary in all sense. They run the machines, they make income out of it. They also sell to women who are in a way a beneficiary and will be using for their own safety and health and hygiene in the community. Our approach has always been to make this project as something which is 100% sustainable. So we use 100% biodegradable products only. And we have plans where we'll partner with PadCare to make this whole recycling back the disposed pads. Thank you very much.
Thank you, sir. Hello everyone, I'm Dr. Kruti Patel. I am a founder and director of CNV Women Entrepreneurship Foundation. We are associated with Amazon as a training partner in the menstrual health awareness programs. We as an organization, our expertise into entrepreneurship and livelihood development. We work with women, we work with transgenders, we work with differently abled, and we work with youth. Being an expert organization in the domain of entrepreneurship, when Amazon has realized that there is a huge gap in period poverty, so they realized the gap, and collectively we have created a model which provides the holistic solution for the problem which we are trying to address. In India, there are a lot of intervention has been done in this domain, but majority of the intervention were restricted to just distributing the pads. Now this intervention is something where it completes the entire cycle, from manufacturing to spreading awareness, selling, and now the disposing of the pads as well. So this is what the initiative, which is run by the women, for the women, upliftment of the community. At the same time, we are contributing to one of the biggest asset of our country, that is women. Thank you so much. Thank you.